Hey everyone, welcome back to Tailor Made Apparels, where we bring you the best tips and insights on everything related to fashion and custom clothing. In today's video, we're going to dive into one of the most important aspects of a great t-shirt, the fabric. If you're looking for comfort, durability, and style, choosing the right fabric is key. Let's jump in. First up is cotton, one of the most popular fabrics for t-shirts. Cotton is breathable, soft, and comfortable, making it ideal for everyday wear. It's also versatile, with options like combed cotton, organic cotton, and slub cotton that offer different textures and finishes. If you're after a classic, comfortable t-shirt, cotton is always a safe choice. Next, we have polyester. This fabric is known for its durability and moisture-wicking properties, making it perfect for athletic wear. Polyester t-shirts are lightweight, resistant to wrinkles, and quick drying, which is why they're a go-to for gym gear and outdoor activities. Before we move on, a quick note: if you're looking for high-quality, custom streetwear that reflects your unique style, we've got you covered. Whether it's custom designs, logos, or even specific fabrics, we at Tailor Made Apparels can make it happen. Just message us on WhatsApp at 923-286-43379 or email us at tailormadewears@gmail.com to get started. Now let's talk about blended fabrics. These are usually a mix of cotton and polyester, offering the best of both worlds. Blends combine the softness of cotton with the durability and moisture-wicking properties of polyester. You get a fabric that's comfortable, low maintenance, and long-lasting. So there you have it, the best fabrics for t-shirts, whether you're dressing for comfort, performance, or style. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fashion tips and insights. And remember, for any of your custom streetwear needs, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Tailor Made Apparels. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.